Hello everyone. In previous parts of linear equation in two variable, we have seen how to find out the solutions of two linear equation by elimination method, by graphical method, and by Cramer's rule. We have seen how to find out the value of determinant also, and determinant method that is also called as the Cramer's rule. Now we are going to solve the word problems which are based on the linear equations. It means I told you in first part that real life applications means how to use linear equations in our real life. Okay, so before starting word problems, I am going to tell you the meaning of the words which are used in word problem, so that you should be able to solve this. You should be able to form the equations. Okay, now see where we have to use plus sign. When some word is given in your question, in your problem, like for example, the sum of ages of Ram and Sham is equals to 10 years. So if we take the age of Ram is equals to x years and age of Sham is equals to y years. So how we will frame the equation? Here x plus y is equals to 10. Why? Because some word is given in the equation, that's why we will use the sign plus. Now in secondly, increased. If we have given age of Sham is increased by the age of Ram by 2 years. Age of Sham is increased the age of Ram by 2 years. So how you will write? Suppose age of Sham is equals to x years and age of Ram equals to y years, so x is equals to y plus 2. It means here also we have used the sign plus, means plus sign is used here. When more than is word is given in question, in that case also we have to use plus sign. Elder is given, like for example the age of Sunil is greater than 2 by age of Anil. Age of Sunil is greater than 2 by age of Anil. So if we are taking age of Sunil is A and age of Anil is B, so we'll write A is equals to B plus 2. It means here also we have used plus sign. Okay, after this elder is completed, then larger and bigger case. In that case we know larger is means bada and bigger also it means the same meaning. So in this case also we will use plus sign. Then after means sometimes in word problems we have given that after 10 suppose the age of father is double the age of son. Okay, father is double the age of son, and after 10 years father's age will be 4 times the age of son. Such type of example is given, then we will use here also plus sign, means after 10 years. After 10 years means what? If we are taking the age of father is equals to x and age of son is equals to y. So for finding after 10 years we will take x plus 10, and for finding age of son after 10 years we will write y plus 10. It means when in question it is given that after 10 years we will say x plus 10 and y plus 10. It means here also we are using plus sign. If in question it is given hence 5 years the age of Ram will be equals to 10 times the age of Sham. In question if it is given hence 5 years the age of Ram equals to 10 times the age of Sham. So hence is given, so we will find after 5 years both the ages, means suppose we are taking age of Ram x and age of Sham y, then age of Ram after 5 years we will find, means that will be x plus 5, and age of Sham after 5 years we will find, that will be y plus 5. Then greater than, when it is used greater than means that is more than, greater than and more than are the same thing, that's why here also we will use the plus sign. Exceeds also, exceeds means chocolates given to Abhi is more than 5. Chocolates given to Abhi exceeds the chocolates given to Hardik. What I said, chocolates given to Abhi exceeds than 5 than 5 than chocolates given to Hardik. So in this case also we will use plus sign. After that, downstream word we generally use in case of boat in water. Okay, so whenever we are using downstream word, here also we have to use plus sign. What we do here, that the speed, we do the addition of the speed of boat and speed of stream, means speed of boat and speed of water current. Means suppose the speed of boat is x and suppose the speed of stream is y, then we while finding the downstream speed we do here x plus y. Okay, now in this cases, whenever these words are given in word problems, we have to take plus sign. Okay, now let's talk about the minus sign. First one, difference. You know, difference means subtraction. So in that case, everybody knows we have to use that the minus sign. But now remember one thing here, that whenever the difference is positive, we have to subtract smaller from greater. Means greater minus smaller is equals to positive number. But whenever the difference is negative, we have to subtract greater from smaller. Okay. So most of the time the difference is positive, so you don't worry about this. Greater minus smaller is equals to positive number. So here we have to use minus sign. Less than, if we are taking, you can remember it like this, both are negative to opposite of each other. If we are using more than sign by plus, so we can use here in place of less than minus sign. Okay. If in case of increased, where increased word is given, in that case we use plus sign. So where decreased word is given, in that case we use minus sign. Okay, they are opposite of each other. After when after is given, in that case we use plus sign. So when before is given, before and ago, when before and ago are given, then in that case we use minus sign. Generally these words are used in whenever the ages are given, means before 2 years, 2 years ago. So in that case, suppose the age of Ram, suppose the present age of Ram is x years. Suppose the present age of Ram is x years. So before 2 years his age will be x minus 2. It means we have used here minus sign. And 2 years ago his age will be x minus 2. It means in both the cases we have to use minus sign. Then younger, if you are two brothers, if you are two brothers like Ram and Sham, and Ram is younger than Sham. Suppose Ram's age is P years and Sham's age is Q years. I said Ram is younger than Sham. So and by 2 years. Ram is younger than Sham by 2 years. So how we will write here? Q minus P is equals to 2. It means age of Sham minus age of Ram is equals to 2. Means here also we have used minus sign. Okay, so whenever younger is given, we have to use minus sign. And either you can write means remember opposite also. Whenever there is elder is given, in that case we have used plus sign. So elder and younger are opposite of each other. So whenever younger is given, in that case you have to give minus sign. Smaller and greater. So in case of greater we have used plus sign. So in case of smaller we will use minus sign. Likewise you have to remember. Now let's see upstream. Okay, we know downstream and upstream are opposite of each other, and these are generally used in a river. Okay, whenever boat and stream, we are talking about boat and stream. So but in downstream we do the addition. When if we add a plus b or b plus a, we get the same answer. But whenever we have to find out the difference, we have to think about that which one we have to subtract from which one. Okay, it means means you have to remember one thing in case of upstream, that speed of boat is always greater than the speed of the stream. Speed of boat is always greater than the speed of the stream. It means whenever you have to find out upstream speed, you have to do speed of boat minus speed of stream. Here also we have to use minus sign, but speed of boat minus speed of stream. Okay, now let's see where we have to use multiplication sign. Okay, if you have given in question that the product of two numbers is equals to 56, like the product of two numbers is equals to 56, so in that case you have to use multiplication sign, because product means sign of multiplication. Okay, times. Suppose you have given that the that the sum of age of Pradnya is 2 times the sum of age of age of Pradnya is 2 times the age of Sandhya. Suppose we have given in question that age of Pradnya is 2 times the age of Sandhya. It means suppose age of Pradnya is equals to x years and age of Sandhya is equals to y years. So how we will write it? X is equals to 2 into y. How you will write? X equals to 2 into y. It means whenever times word is used in question, times word is used. So in question, in that case you have to use multiplication sign. Now here if it is given 2 times, then we will do 2 into. If we will given 5 times, then we will use 5 into. So you have to remember, whenever times is given, we have to use into sign. Area. If you have given area, then if area of rectangle is given, then we have to use the formula. So generally it is used in case of multiplication, means generally in area we use the sign of multiplication. For example, suppose if we are taking the area of rectangle, so it is length into breadth. If we are taking area of square, then we take side into side, that is side square. Means generally we use in case of area product sign, but not in all the cases, because if we talk about remaining close figures, other close figures, so it depends whatever the formula of area is. Okay, and then we will talk about division sign. Sign of division, whenever ratio word is given, a ratio of age of Anil and Sunil is equals to 5/6. Ratio of age of Anil and Sunil is equals to 5/6. Suppose Anil's age is x years and Sunil's age is y years. So how you will write it? Anil's age divided by Sunil's age is equals to, ratio is 5/6, so in that case we will use division sign, and division sign is also denoted by this line. Okay, now so we will write this x by y is equals to 5/6. Whenever fraction is given, fraction also represented by the division sign. Okay, so this also written like this also we can write it like this, fraction. And reciprocal also, if we are taking the reciprocal of age of Seema is equals to reciprocal of age of Seema is equals to age of Raj. Reciprocal of age of Seema is equals to age of Raj. So reciprocal means we have to use here division sign. Okay, suppose we have to use, for simple example I am giving you x. If we are talking about reciprocal of x, so I will write here 1/x. Simple example, if we are talking about reciprocal of x, so that I will write here 1/x, means here division sign comes. If we are talking, if suppose one fraction is given like x by y, so what should be the reciprocal of x by y? It will be y by x. Okay, it means we have to use division sign here. Now see, let's talk about the equal to sign, means where we have to use equal to sign. So first one is. Now you know already that is, was, will, would, that all are the helping verbs, but only the difference is is in present tense, was is in past tense, will, would are in future tense. So whenever these words are given in word problems, you have to use equal to sign, and in place of equal to, you have to use here equal to sign. Thank you.